Okay, I'm going to be talking about blah blah blah, the wave antenna. I'm holding. There. Okay. I've got the antenna on the wall. I'm holding it because it's so light. Oh, Appa.
Oh, this is Momo.
Momo.
And since it's a test, we'd like to introduce you to Momo.
The
and
Momos.
her addict substance. This is her. Come on, do what you normally
Come
do.
on, wave Momo.
She's usually addicted to this stuff. It's catnip.
Yeah, because
it's her weed.
we're drug pushers, so we're cats.
And she's usually excited when she's not all irritated.
Momo.
She's a drooper, and
She's
this has
drooper.
just been a test of the emergency
Cat
system. Hello, I'm Momo. Momo.
I'll plug in 1,000,000 hits for that.
I think we're good.